Hey, this is Timmy D. Here's a tune by Bob Marley. Let's go to Jamaica. See three little birds. Well, don't worry, no about a thing, 'cause everything is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry, no about a thing, 'cause everything is gonna be alright. I rise up this morning, smile at the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by me doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying this is a message to you. I'm singing, don't worry, no about a thing, 'cause everything is gonna be alright. I'm singing, don't worry, no about a thing, 'cause everything is gonna be alright. I rise up this morning, smile at the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by me doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying this is me message to you. And they're singing, don't worry, no about a thing, 'cause everything is gonna be alright. I'm singing, don't worry, no about a thing, 'cause everything is gonna be alright. Yeah, everything is gonna be alright. Yeah, every little thing gonna be alright. Let's go to Jamaica. See you there.